Hi everyone! I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEM activities. Starting today, I'm going to show you how to make 4 different types of Christmas card. The first type is Christmas paper circuit card. Look at this! It's beautiful, right? Follow me and make your own Christmas card. Let's get to it! The materials we need today are card template, copper tape, coin-sa-berry, LED, tape, scissors, and some materials to color and decorate your card. Color or decorate your card first. You can get the template from the description below. Now turn the template over. There you can see the circle lines. Apply the copper tape to all of the circle lines. Start from the circle. And start from the corner. Remember, all the copper tape should be connected. Attach the coin-sa-berry. The negative side should face down. Cover and fix only the half of it with tape. Now it's time to attach the LED to the template. LED has a long leg and short leg, so it should be placed like this. Poke 2 small holes on the card and let the legs of the LED go through it. Bend out the legs. Please make sure both legs of the LED touch the copper tape. Now fix the legs with tape. We are done! Now let's check if the LED turns on. Good! Now this one is a little bit complicated because it needs 6 LED. Same as we did, color the card and apply the copper tape.
Wow!
Attach the coin-sa-berry. This time, I'm going to use 3 different colors of LED: white, green, and blue. Now let's check if the LED turns on. Wow, it's beautiful! Now let me tell you how and why it works. Electricity is the flow of electrons around a circuit. Electrons flow from the negative end of the battery through the copper tape to the positive end of battery. This happens only when the entire circuit is closed. When the circuit is closed, the light turns on. When the circuit is open, it doesn't turn on. This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye.